Yes, sir.
Guys, am I audible now? Now you are not audible. Okay, give me a thumbs up. I'm audible. Okay, I'm audible. So my point is, yes, for the not hear me. Yes, we celebrate the Lawyers' Day on the birth anniversary of Sri Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. He had taken a birth on 28th of April 1848 and he passed away on 4th of February 1934. Okay, and why do I say that he is the pioneer of legal profession? Because legal profession before him also existed. In fact, if you see, there are other people who followed legal profession and popularized it. But Madhusudan Das, for the first time, coming from a humble background, a place where people, in fact, do not venture into legal profession like Odisha, he popularized the concept. And not only he ସେ ନିଜେ ବି ତ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାରିଷ୍ଟର ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଥିବେ ହି ୱାଜ ଏ ବ୍ୟାରିଷ୍ଟର ହି ୱାଜ ଦି ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ହିଜ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟାରିଷ୍ଟର ଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲସୋ ଫର ପୁଅର ପିପଲ ହି ହାଜ ତାଙ୍କର ଯଦି ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦି ଟ୍ୟାନେରୀ ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ମନେ ଥିବ ଦି ଉତ୍କଳ ଟ୍ୟାନେରୀ that was the whole purpose was to make sure that poor people could be taken care of. Yes, economically deprived people can be taken care of. This profit, it was not a profitable organization. Profit was not going to him. Okay, ବହୁତ ଜଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ମଧୁସୂଦନ ଦାସ କ୍ଷୀର ବିକୁଥିଲେ ଜୋତା ବିକୁଥିଲେ. All of this was for the downtrodden. I mean, never for anything for him. ଆପଣ ସେ ବୁଢ଼ୀର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ତ ଜାଣିଥିବେ. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ସେ ବୁଢ଼ୀ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲା, if you know this story or not, there was an old woman, I think ତାର ସେଥିରେ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ somebody wanted to construct over her land, over her house. ତା ହାଉସ ଉପରେ ସେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲା ନା ମଧୁସୂଦନ ଦାସ ପାଖକୁ ସେ ଗଲା କହିକି ଯେ how can I stop him because he is saying that I will rule ହଉଛି ଯେ ତମର ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କିଣିଛ ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ଆଗରୁ ଏବେ ତ ନାହିଁ ବଟ୍ ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା କି ତମେ ସପୋଜ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ତମେ କିଣୁଛ so up to a particular height the land is yours. Okay, and that means the sky is of the government. Now they wanted to build something above that house, but the old woman knew that her house structure is so weak that probably a house cannot be built over it. If it is built, then it will collapse. Now the old woman came to Madhusudan Das and Madhusudan Das said that let us do one thing to construct kar, but chari ଚାରି ନାଇଁ ଚାରି କ'ଣ ତ କୁହନ୍ତି ଏଟାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ଚାରି ହାତ ଚାରି ଚାଖଣ୍ଡେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେ ଆଉ ଚାରି ଚାଖଣ୍ଡେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହ ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ବିଲ୍ଡ ଓଭର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ତମେ ଯଦି ବିଲ୍ଡ କରିବ ତମେ ସେଇ ଏୟାରରେ କେମିତି କରୁଛ କର you can't take support of mine because that chari chakhande is mine. So for that only nobody could even touch the land of the old woman. So my point is, and in fact if you come to the lawyering or lawyering as a profession, it existed way before. Lawyering is what? I'll tell you, lawyering is nothing but speaking truth and standing for the right. Okay, now of course this has come to that we are tend to lie in our profession, but let us take the example of Bhishma. Bhishma ko jodi apna mane pakeve, he is remembered only for one bad thing, that is he kept silence when it mattered the most. He did not speak when it mattered the most. Right? Draupadi katha mane pakantu. Draupadi posed a question to the Kurusabha that if someone has lost everything, can he bet another person? Pandavas, after losing everything, bet their wife. Now, Draupadi asked this question before the Kurusabha. Nobody could answer. Everybody chose silence. And that Sabha is still condemned for that silence because you did not speak for what was the right thing to do. Krishna ko ame ette kahu. Krishna ko ame kahu ki je the best and all esabu kahu. কিন্তু তারপরে भी कहू যে he has never been truthful in his life. Kahinki this stigma is there with Krishna also. So आपण मन रखु युधिष्ठिर भी जाई पार नथिले हेवन को कोन पई कहले ओनली वन लाई ही हैड टोल्ड इन हिज एंटायर लाइफ इट वाज नॉट अ लाई एट ऑल यदि आपण मन थियो से कहिथिले नरे बा गुंजरे अश्वत्थमा हतः व्हाट डज इट मीन अश्वत्थमा वाज एन एलिफेंट से मिछ तो कहंतिनी तांगु तले कहले कि जे देखो अश्वत्थमाकर बापा के थिले Dronacharya. So he knew that Dronacharya is going to drop the weapons only on one thing. If his son has died. Now, Dronacharya को जी भी जाई कहला देखो तम पुआ मरी जाईची Ashwatthama has died. He said no. Not until Yudhishthir tells me. Because I know only one person will not lie, that is Yudhishthir. Now Krishna manipulated Yudhishthir and said कि देख तू actually मिछ कहया दरकार नहीं. You say this देख Ashwatthama नामक गोटे हाथी भी मरी जाईची. So you say that Nareba Gunjare Ashwatthama Hatha. That means Nare means within humans or in Gunjare, that means in jungle or within animals, a person named Ashwatthama has died. And hearing that, Dronacharya dropped the weapons. And we remember Yudhishthira for that lie also. And in fact, जदि आपण देखिबे से जो पांडव माने यात्रा कले हेवन को, in fact Yudhishthir in fact could not reach also say last step रे जाकी Yudhishthir temple टा अछि सेठी भी से पहुंच पालेनी. The reason is कि he had also lied and he had also manipulated. Okay, so my whole point is that lawyering should not be limited to only what? Only gaining money or seeing it as a profession to earn profits. This is a profession which is so noble that you have an opportunity to do many things for the society. आपण बहुत किछि करि परिबे सोसाइटी पे बहुत किछि करि परिबे. And I'll tell you the best of the feeling you will get is not with money but with such pro bono cases. आपण मन रखंतु हुसैनारा खातून, do you think she must be able to pay a penny to the lawyer? But we still know that case in and out, right? It's a reported judgment and हुसैनारा खातून हमें सब बेले कहूछ. अर्नेश कुमार माने तार खाया को नथिला से केबे पैसा ही दे नथिबो तार लॉयर. But we still remember that case in and out. Recently I was doing, Adhyasha was a part of it, Dhananjay was a part of it. Recently I was doing a habeas corpus. I think that gave pleasure when the mother got to meet the child. That gave us pleasure, more pleasure than any money could. Na Adhyasha, kon kojo? What do you say? Kuch. Okay. So whole point is that you please do not see this as a profession to earn money. Of course, money will come. That's a byproduct. Like, any chemical reaction would a byproduct hai. So money will come automatically. You don't have to do anything about it. It will come automatically after a certain time. But my point is, if you can stand up for what is right and stand up when it matters, that is where things will change manifold. Okay, so that was the whole thing that I wanted to convey to you. I don't want to stretch it too long. I want to hear from all of you. So many people have signed up for speaking or giving a speech on the eve of Lawyers Day. Cash prize of 2,000 is also on the cards along with certificate of participation. So, and I will be the only judge. Old habits die hard. Okay, I still feel like I judge inside. So please, one by one, you will come whenever, whoever is interested, and will come and we'll start from Anisha. It start kariya. Epotu jiba na sepotu jiba. Kopotu jiba. Etu. Priyanshu, you want to speak? Please come. Mic ta lagebo koi. Okay.
Sir, short speech ta.
Na short speech ho. हमको 30 मिनट स्पीच लगे.
Mic ta कोट लगे.
सर खाली से लगेबो.
कोट लगे.
एट इंच लगेबो. माइक में नहीं जाउछ है ना
सर देखि कहियो ना
but of course likewise I will decide who is the best speaker जे देखि कहियो न देखि कहियो तार तो मैं अछि ना
बंद कर दे
no I will know from your body language how you do for it.
Good morning everyone, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate Madhusudan Jayanti to observe the birth anniversary of Madhusudan Das. Fondly, we call him Utkala Gaurav. He was the first Odia graduate as well as the first Odia lawyer who worked relentlessly and who worked tirelessly to uplift the equality society and uh, so welfare of the society. His contribution also gives a very subtle gives a very subtle insights to us that how we being a legal professional can carry forward the teachings from what we got from Madhusudan sir, so we can excel in our life with sincerity and integrity, right? So the life of Madhusudan Das is not about how you build your career, rather how one people will recognize you by your own work. The work should be sincerity and integrity. That was the main motto of Madhusudan Das. So anyone who can complete the work with utmost sincerity and integrity will definitely become a successful lawyer. Also, Madhusudan Das has also signifies that his life is not a lavish life, but a very struggle, uh, stru- struggle, lavish life. Struggle life. He has made many he has made many contributions to the legal field for the upliftment of justice, equality, and welfare of the society. Now it's our turn as future legal professionals to conduct our duty with sincerity and integrity. The life of Madhusudan does not imply that lawyers' basic rights, but also a lawyer must know the basic fundamental rights and how and in which situation these fundamental rights can be used. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत ही खराब चला बहुत ही खराब चला
कौन खराब अरे you are able to speak, that's what matters. Many people chose not to speak. I told Priti one thing, that only who fail, you tell me, only those who do not try fail. Try करछो মানে তুমি জিতলি বুঝতে পারছো না বললো you tried, you did not, those who do not try, okay chalo.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Rajat Panda sir, and the member of legal fraternity and my dear colleagues, and the bright young aspirants I see here, new faces. Let me begin with a simple answer or a thought. When injustice rises, who stands first at the start to challenge it? Any guesses? Above all, it is only the lawyers. So today on Lawyer Day, we are not merely just celebrating a profession. We are celebrating courage in black and white. We are celebrating voices that refuse to stay silent. We are celebrating individuals who stand firm even when the world around them shakes. Lawyer Day, it is a day not just about profession. It is about a responsibility, a commitment, and above all, a pursuit of justice. At the very outlet, I would like to express my deeper respect and gratitude to Rajat Panda sir, who guide us about the wisdom, the dedication that the field of law has to continue to inspire all of us to begin in a part of this field. Sir, your journey reflects what it truly meant to uphold the dignity of this noble profession. And I have seen the emulation about it in many places. So law is often misunderstood as a field of argument I have seen in many areas. But in reality, it is a field of impact. Like behind every case files, there is a man's life who has been judged. Behind every judgment, there is a life that has been changed. So we as a lawyer are not just interpreter of law. We are the guardian of justice. We stand between the power and fairness. We give voices to those who cannot speak. We give voices to people who cannot stand in the ground. We give voices to those people who are not in accordance with the law and not in faith toward the justice. So and sometimes and carry a burden at ensuring the truth that the truth is not about lost in all the technicalities of law background. So to my fellow colleagues, I want to say that this profession tests us every day. As Dhananjay and Adhya sir, they are working in a court, they know about how the lawyers do the job in everyday life, right? That so it tests our patience and our ethics and sometimes even our faith. But in these very moments, it defines our character, the character we want mostly, the values, the ethics that are not been recognized or given anywhere, but you can recognize from a court when you sit in a courtroom and watch how a judge gives the prediction of a life, how the life sentence change of a person about the judgment. But in this very moment, let us not be just be a good lawyer. Let us be the principled one. Let us support each other, grow together, and never compromise on integrity. And now to the young aspirants, I want to say something that they come here with a dream in their eyes, but this journey you have chosen is not easy, as it is the most powerful part, but it is the most powerful path you can walk. There will be days when you feel lost. There will be days when your effort will not show immediate result. But remember this: every great lawyer you admire today stood exactly where you are certain. Every great lawyer. I repeat the sentence. But at last, do not chase shortcut. Do not chase quick success. Instead, build knowledge, build resilience, build a character. It is the most important part about law, because in law your reputation is your greatest hard work and your greatest asset. Always remember, you are not just preparing for a career; you are preparing to uphold justice. As we celebrate today, let us not treat it as another day or event. Let it be a moment of reflection, a moment to ask ourselves, are we using our knowledge for the greater good? Are we standing on the side of justice, even when it is difficult? Because at the end of the day, being a lawyer is not about winning every case. It is about never losing your values. It is about never losing your ethics. How you present a case is different, but how you manage a case, but still able not to win, is also different. So the values you learn from that case is what matter. Let us walk forward with pride, with a purpose and with a promise that we will uphold the dignity of this noble profession, no matter what challenge comes our way. Thank you and have a happy Lawyers' Day.
Very good. Thank you, Kiran. Next, you want to speak? Come. Sneha, tama koy ni? Koy wo to kal Sneha sa. Ago Sneha sa. Ago lock ke dabo.
A warm good morning to respected Rajat sir and my dear seniors, because I'm the most junior from this batch. So we are celebrating Lawyers' Day on the birth anniversary of Utkala Gaurav Madhusudan Das, who is the first Odisha lawyer, and a day dedicated to honoring the legal profession and those who fight tirelessly to uphold the rule of law. The legal profession is not just a career, it's a calling, a noble responsibility to protect the voiceless and ensures that justice is not just a concept but a reality for everyone. Now, I personally, I have came to this field for my father. First, I have joined this field in the law college that's present in CDA. Then I transferred to Madhusudan second year. So coming Madhusudan, then joining this coaching for OJS, sir teaches us to grow. To grow this career, how to move in this career, how to build yourself independent in this career, then how to read properly, and he teaches a great, he's a great teacher I have ever met in my life. In this 23 years, I have ever met a teacher like this whose guidance is the best. And thank you sir for guiding to ମାନେ ଯାହାର ବି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଯଦି ଡିପ୍ରେସରେ ବି ଥିବ ନା, ସାର୍ଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣି ସତରେ ସେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ପୁରା ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ହେଇଯିବ। ମାନେ ଏତେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ଭଏସ୍ ଏତେ ଏନକରେଜିଂ ଥାଏ। ମାନେ ମତେ ଏଇ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଆସିବା ଟୋଟାଲ ଇଚ୍ଛା ନଥିଲା, ବାସ୍ ବାବାଙ୍କର ୱିଶ୍ ପାଇଁକି ମୁଁ ଏଠିକି ଆସିଥିଲି। ବଟ୍ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଟଅପ୍ କରିବା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଗୁଗଲରେ। ମୁଁ ଓଜେଏସ୍ ପାଇଁ କୋଚିଂ ଖୋଜାଇଥିଲି, ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଯୋଉଟାକି ସିଡିଏରେ ଥିଲା। ତାପରେ ମଧୁସୂଦନ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ମୋ ମନ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା। ମୁଁ ଆଉ ସଙ୍ଗୀତା ଦିଦି ଆମେ ଥିଲୁ ଏଠି କୋଚିଂରେ, କଲେଜ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ କୋଚିଂ ହଉଥିଲା, ସେଠି ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲୁ। ସେଠି ସେ ସାର୍ ଟୋଟାଲ ଭଲ ପଢ଼ଉନଥିଲେ। 5 ଦିନ ସେଠି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କଲି, ମାନେ ମାନେ ଏତେ ମୁଁ କାନ୍ଦିଛି ସେଇଦିନ, ଦିଦିଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ ବି ମୁଁ କାନ୍ଦିଛି। ମୁଁ କହିଲି ରଜତ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ସିନା ଯାଇକି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିଥିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ। ସାର୍ ମର୍ଡର ଉପରେ ପଢ଼ଉଥିଲେ, ମୁଁ ନୋଟ୍ସ ବି ବନେଇଥିଲି। ମୁଁ ଆସି ଘରେ ବି କହିଲି ମାନେ ଏମିତିଆ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ବି ଦେଖିନି। ତାପରେ ୱିଶ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ଏଠି କେମିତି ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ 5 ଦିନ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କଲା ପରେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ରେ ଆସିଲା କି କିତାବ ମହଲରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଠି ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଖୋଲୁଛି। ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଖୁସି। ତାପରେ ଦିଦି ସେଇଠୁ ପଳେଇଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲି ତମେ କୋଉଠି ଜଏନ୍ କଲି? ସେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ରଜତ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କୋଚିଂ କରୁଛି। ମତେ ଆହୁରି ଅପରଚ୍ୟୁନିଟି ମିଳିଲା। ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ଅଛି କି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠିକି ଆସେ ବୋଲି। ଦେନ୍ ଫାଇନାଲି ଘରେ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିକି ଏଠି ଆସିବି ଗଲି। ବାବା ଆସିକି କଥା ବି ହେଇଥିଲେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସହିତ। ମତେ ଅଗଷ୍ଟକୁ ବର୍ଷ ହବ ଏଠିକି ଆସିବାର। ବଟ୍ ଏଇ 8ରୁ 9 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଛି ସାର୍ଙ୍କଠୁ, ଆଣ୍ଡ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଏନକରେଜ ବି ହେଇଛି। ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ହବା ଉପରେ ବି ମତେ ଜଜ୍ର ବି ସେମିତି କିଛି ଆଇଡିଆ ନାହିଁ। ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁ ବହୁତ ମାନେ କିଛି ମିଳିଛି, ଯୋଉଟାକି ଏଇ ପ୍ରଫେସନରେ ତମକୁ ତମର ଫ୍ରିଡମ୍ ମିଳିପାରେ, ତମର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ବ୍ଲେସିଂସ୍ ମିଳିବ। ଦେନ୍ ପଇସା ତମେ ରୋଜଗାର କର, ସେଟା ତମକୁ 3 ବର୍ଷ କି 4 ବର୍ଷ ତମେ ସେଟା କେବେ ବି ରୋଜଗାର କରିପାରିବ। ବଟ୍ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ଲେସିଂସ୍, ଯୋଉ ସମ୍ମାନ ସେଟା ତୁମକୁ ଲୋକଙ୍କଠୁ ମିଳିବ, ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଆଉ କୋଉ ପ୍ରଫେସନରେ ମିଳିବନି। ତେଣୁ କରିକି ମାନେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ତ ଯେତେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଲେ ସେତିକି କମ୍ ହବ। ସାର୍ ବହୁତ ଇନ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ, ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଗକୁ ବି ଆହୁରି ବର୍ଷ ଅଛି, ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିବ ସାର୍ଙ୍କଠୁ। ବଟ୍ ଏଇ ପ୍ରଫେସନରେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କେବେ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ହବ, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରିଡମ୍ ପାଇବ, ଥର୍ଡ ତମେ ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ବହୁତ କିଛି ମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ। ଦୁନିଆରେ 160 କୋଟି ଲୋକ ଭିତରେ ତମେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଏଇ ପ୍ରଫେସନ ଗଲେ ଅଧାରୁ ଅଧିକ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶିକି ତମେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଜାଣିପାରିବ। ସେତିକି ଫ୍ରିରେ ଆମକୁ କଥା ହେବାର ଅଛି। ଆଣ୍ଡ କେସ୍ ଲଢ଼ିବା ଟାଇମ୍କୁ ଆମକୁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ୍ ଦେଖିବାର ଅଛି। କାରଣ କାହାର ଯେମିତି ଭାଇ କହିଲେ, କାହାର ସେଠି ଜୀବନ ଦାଉରେ ଲାଗିଛି। ତ କୋଉ ମାନେ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କେସେସ୍ ହୁଏ, ସେଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଜୀବନ ମାନେ କାହାର ଜୀବନ ସବରିଯାଏ, ତ କାହାର ଜୀବନ ବିଗିଡ଼ିଯାଏ। ତ ସେଇ ଆମକୁ କେସ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଭାବିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କି କେମିତି କ'ଣ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ କଲେ ଦି ପକ୍ଷ ସମାନ ଭାବରେ ମାନେ ନ୍ୟାୟ ପାଇପାରିବେ। କେବେ ନ୍ୟାୟ ତ ପାଇପାରିବେନି ସମାନ ପକ୍ଷରେ, ବଟ୍ ଆଟ୍ ଦ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିପାରିବା, ଆମ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯେତିକି ହବ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିପାରିବା। And thank you sir for encouraging every day, every minute from 7:45 to 9:30. We inspired a lot. ଆହୁରି ବର୍ଷ ଏତେ ଶିଖିବାକୁ। Thank you so much sir. ମୁଁ କେବେ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଦେଇନି। ସାର୍ କାଲି ମେସେଜ କରିଥିଲେ ସ୍ନେହା ଡୁ କମ୍ ଟୁମୋରୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଦେବ କି। ମୁଁ କିଛି ନ ଭାବିକି ମୁଁ ହଁ କହିଥିଲି, କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଥିଲି କିଛି ଭୁଲ ହେଲେ ସାର୍ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ପାଖରେ, କିଛି ନା କିଛି ସାର୍ ଇଏ କରିଦେବେ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍ ସାର୍। ହ୍ୟାପି ଲୟର୍ସ ଡେ।
Thank you, Sneha, for the kind words. It felt like Mo Jayanti aji. But honestly, having said that, एते लोगों के आगे ठिया है कि कहिबा, you have to give him a round of applause for that. If that is the first time she did. Okay, so thank you, Sneha. Next, yes, please. आउ कि जदि आगो वॉलंटियर करिया को चाहो पड़े आसो। Distract me.
Namaskar everyone. Good morning. Respected sir, my dear colleagues and friends present here. Today we are not here just to commemorate any date which is an ordinary one on the calendar. Today we are here so that we can celebrate the pride of the legal fraternity, the pride of Odisha, the spirit of Odisha. Yes, we are talking about the 177th birth anniversary of Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. On this day in 1848, in the Satyabhamapur village of Cuttack, he was born and proved himself to be a trailblazer, to be a stalwart, to be a pioneer in this field. He was the first Odia to be a lawyer and a barrister. He was the first Odia to have the post-graduation degree. He was the first Odia to be a member of Legislative Council and also the first Odia to be a member of Central Legislative Assembly. He was not just a list of firsts, but also the architect of modern Odisha. He actually maintained his decorum and tried the best so that Odia could be an independent language and Odisha state could belong to the people who have the Odia identity. At a time when Odia was a threatened language, when Odia was not given any dignity, when Bengali was always prevailing over Odisha, when Bengali was told that Odisha ekta Swatantra desh noy, Odia ekta bhasha noy, at that point of time, he came forward and said that we want Odisha and we want our place. He also established the Utkal Sammilani for this purpose, which was in the year 1903. Further, this played a pivotal role for creation of Odisha as the first state of India to be established on linguistic basis. Further, he was a poet, he was a freedom fighter, and he was also a social reformer. He was praised by Mahatma Gandhi as a great philanthropist. Even Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that his words regarding caste discrimination and criticism against it is worth praising and worth acknowledgement. In fact, he also established the Utkal Tannery so that it could contribute towards economic development of the people, especially the Dalit community. Now comes the time where we can speak about us, the legal community. Well, his life is no less than a textbook for us, the legal professionals from Odisha, and especially for women who had always been taken to be inferior to men in the past. He was the first one to have established the school for girls. He was the first one to have raised that women also deserve education. He said that we also need to come forward so that the legal profession can be seen not just as an occupation, but as a way of protecting the constitutional, legal, and moral rights of the individuals mentioned in the statute and also beyond it, so that we can always see ourselves as people who can change the world with the power of law. And if the law is not serving the people, let's change it altogether. We always want every day that we wear the black robe, we must not forget his contributions towards the legal profession, especially in Odisha, his contribution towards the Odia identity, the Odia Swabhiman, the Odia Ashmita, along with the legal profession. He even rejected the idea of entering the Indian National Congress because they were opposed to the idea of linguistic states. And look at India today. Every state has its own unique language, and that defines its culture, that defines everyone's identity. That, in fact, tells us that we are Indian, yet we have our uniqueness of own. India is a pluralist state, and that was for the first time flagged by Madhusudan Das, our Kula Vruddha. So I would want to conclude my speech with one of his quotes. Uthare uthare utkala santana, karibo kiso karo, aji amara jibanare kuha odia amo nijara. With this, I would say, Bande Utkala Janani, Jai Hind, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Avipsha. That was a wonderful speech. And I hope all of you are inspired at how well, Abhishek narrated the journey of Utkal Gaurav Sri Madhusudan Das. Okay, and yes, the next person would be Sushri. Yes, please, Sushri, come. ଅଭିପ୍ସା ବି ଦେଖାଗଲା ଅଭିପ୍ସା ବି ପୁରା ଦେଖାଗଲା ମୁଁ ମୋ ହିସାବରେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲି
Good morning, everyone. Respected sir and my esteemed colleagues. Lawyers' Day is known as Madhu Jayanti. Madhusudan Das was born on 28th April 1848 and he was died on 4th February 1934. He was born in Satyabhamapur near Cuttack to a Jamindari family. He was the first Odia graduate, the first to earn an MA, and the first to obtain a BL degree from Calcutta University. After returning from Calcutta in 1881, he became the first Odia advocate and served as the president of the Cuttack Bar Association. After returning from Calcutta, he founded the Utkal Sammelani in 1903 to campaign for the unification of Odia-speaking tracts, which led to the creation of Odisha as a separate province on 1st April 1936. He was the first Odia member of both the Bengal Legislative Council and the Central Legislative Assembly. In 1921, he served as the Minister of Local Self-Government and Public Works. He was an Indian lawyer, social reformer, and politician who is regarded as the architect of modern Odisha. He is affectionately known by the people of Odisha at Utkal Gaurav, Madhu Babu, and Kula Buddha. Lawyers are the pillar of justice. They stand for truth, protect the right of people, and keep the spirit of our constitution alive. On this Lawyers' Day, let us salute every advocate who fight for themselves, but for fairness, dignity, and the rule of law. As someone said, a good lawyer knows the law, a great lawyer knows justice. Today we honor those great lawyers. Thank you. Jai.
Thank you, Sushri. The next person would be Riti. Riti, come.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Lawyers' Day. I am Priti Pushpa Maharana, a student of law, and I feel honored to speak a few words on this occasion. Respected Rajesh sir, learned advocate, and my dear friends. Today, on this auspicious occasion of 178th birth anniversary of Madhusudan Das, fondly remembered as Utkal Gaurav, and lovingly we call him as Madhu Babu. We have gathered here at our institute to celebrate Lawyers' Day and to honor his remarkable legacy. This day is not just a remembrance, it is a tribute to a visionary who laid the foundation of modern Odisha. This day is also observed as Swabhimana Divasa, symbolizing the self-respect and identity that Madhu Babu fought so passionately to establish for the people of this land. ଆଜିର ଦିନଟି ହେଉଛି ସ୍ୱାଭିମାନର ଦିବସ, ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜାତିର ଗର୍ବ ଏବଂ ପରିଚୟର ଦିନ। Madhubabu was not only Odisha's first graduate and first barrister, but also a true nation builder. His life continues to inspire generations through the spirit captured in a popular line that we all have known since our childhood. ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବି, ଓକିଲ ହେବି, କାଳିଆ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ଚଢ଼ିବି, ମଧୁବାବୁ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଲଢ଼ିବି. This line reflects the dreams he ignited in countless young minds. Madhubabu's life continues to inspire generations, not just through history, but also through the lessons we learned in our childhood. I would like to recall few lines from the beautiful poem Chillika Darshan by Jagannath Mahanti. ତୁମ ପରି ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟିଏ, ଗାଁ ଚାହାଳିର ଚାଟ ସିଏ, ଚେହେରାଟି ତାର ଦୌଲ ଦାଉଲ, ବୁଦ୍ଧିରେ ତାର ସରିକିଏ। ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ଦିନେ ସେଇ ପିଲା, ମଧୁ ବାରିଷ୍ଟର ବୋଲାଇଲା, ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ କେତେ କାମ କରି ସିଏ କାଳ କାଳ ଯଶ ରଖିଗଲା। These simple yet powerful lines shows us how an ordinary child, through determination and service, grew into Mahan Madhusudan Das, a true inspiration for all of us. His contributions went far beyond the legal profession. He worked tirelessly for educational reforms, established the first library in Cuttack, and supported the founding of the first girls' high school in Odisha, known today as Revensa Girls High School. Madhubabu also played a pivotal role in forming the Utkala Sammilani to unite Odia-speaking people and strengthen our regional identity. He was honored with the titles Utkala Gaurav and Kula Bruddha for his exceptional contribution towards our society. से ओडिशा को केवल एक राज्य भाबरे ने एक आत्मसम्मानर परिचय भाबे गढ़िथिले. Madhubabu believed in a self-reliant Odisha, and Odisha with dignity, unity, and progress. The path he paved continues to guide us even today. On this special day, let us not only honor him with words, but also strive to uphold justice, integrity, and service towards our society. The true values of the legal profession. आसंतु आमे समस्ते मिसी न्याय सत्य एवं सेवार पथरे अग्रसर हेबा. Let us take pride in our heritage and renew our commitment to building just and progressive Odisha. With deep respect, I offer my heartfelt tribute. Madhubabu को मोर सत सत नमन. बंदे उत्कल जननी. Thank you.
Thank you, Priti, for the engaging speech where you reflected how a small child from a small place of Odisha has left his mark in the legal fraternity forever to come. And those lines, I thought, I don't know whether you got goosebumps or not. I got goosebumps. Jo tumo pari chota pilatiye, I just stuck with me and it gave me goosebumps. So that is the beauty of our profession, that it can take you places. Anyway, the next person would be, who would come? Anyone volunteer? Anisha, would you come? Or Ojaswita? Here. Ame? Aso? Adesha aso? Anisha, tapre siyo. How kike rohile mat kali koy dilo? So that I will call them one by one. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, Anisha, out. Sigo to. Sambi? Nahi. Kostu? Koy
So good morning to everyone and a happy Lawyers Day to all my respected teachers, my seniors, my classmates and my juniors. So we all know we are here together to celebrate a Lawyers Day for the birth anniversary of Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. And we are basically celebrating the day because we are trying to tribute a day to someone and something that works as a backbone of our democracy, which is in a very controversial manner, I would say. But I think lawyers are the ones who represent everyone, not just themselves, but everyone who has a right. And before I dive into Lawyers' Day topic, I would like to recollect a memory from my fourth class. I remember this topic called Hajila Dinoro Katha by Ramesh Chandra Bhanjo. It's about Madhu Babu. Basically, Madhu Babu ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ଉତ୍କଳ tannery, when it failed and everything vanished, he returned to a basic lifestyle of him. He used to go on walks, used to eat a papaya, that santula we call in Odia, and he used to lead a very peaceful life by then. And when he was in that lifestyle, he had a help who was helping in many things, as many things were left to his, like we call this Odia in Kotha. And yeah, we call that Kotha in Odia. And basically by that time, his name was Sudama. And why I'm trying to recollect that memory from that story, because back then when he used to go on walks, he had many cows, and Sudama used to milk them out, and he used to sell them without the knowledge of Madhu Babu. And one very morning, Madhu Babu coincidentally returned very early, and he caught Sudama. And like basically there is this scenario that many women with small children with malnutrition, they were online to collect milk from Sudama. And then Madhu Babu of course didn't know it, and he asked, what you guys are doing here in this early morning? I even couldn't be back from my work. What are you guys doing here? So that woman said, ki agya. They didn't know that formal language. They basically said, sare ସୁଦାମ ଭଲ କ୍ଷୀର ଦେଉଛି ତ ଆମେ ଆସିଛୁ ନବା ପାଇଁ, ମୋ ପିଲାମାନେ ଟିକେ ଖାଇବା ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନା, ହାତରେ ଟଙ୍କା କାଇଁ ଧରିଛୁ? when Madhu Babu asked, she basically said, ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ଯୁଗରେ କିଏ ମାଗଣା ଦବ? Then Madhu Babu was so enraged about this, and he was like, ଶେଷରେ ମଧୁ ବାବୁ କ୍ଷୀର ବିକିବ? ଛି, କୋଠ ଭାଙ୍ଗୁ ପଛେ, କୋଠ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ମୁଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେବି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଷୀର ମାଗଣାରେ ଦେବି. He was a man who thought to the very backbone of our society and women, children, and everything in our society. And for the reason I'm standing here, it's like I don't have a background in law in my family, but still I am here. Like I feel I have a very connection with him from since childhood. We have read all of his stories, and basically I was academically connected with science. And as everyone knows, in the first year or second year, everyone decides to do medical or engineering. Everyone knows. And I was of that view that I would be appearing for medical and all. Then I had my field pre-decided that I would be doing this. But as everything doesn't work out as it is or as planned, I suddenly got a shift to law, because my mother always says whatever we are taught, whatever we are being learned is always the thing what we would be implementing them in our life. And basically, as being a very emotional fool person, I used to believe that life is all like a problem. When problem comes, we have this formula, we put it and we get out of it. So at certain point of my life, it didn't work out like that. And I felt, no, I need to do something. And even if nowadays when people ask me that why this sudden shift from certainty of science to a very vast field of law, I always say that the answer always lies in the realization that I agree that science saves life, but law saves the dignity of life. Even if a person dies, the dignity of that person is still alive. And I believe law preserves that dignity. Being a lawyer, I feel it's not always about speaking, it's not always about winning something or arguing, but I feel it's about representing oneself. And I like throughout these 5 years in law, I believed and I realized one thing, that law, like voice is the strongest astra someone can get, like in this era, and law is the tool which can sharpen it well. And as today I'm standing here and speaking on this auspicious Lawyers' Day, I feel everyone should know that, as sir always says in the class, that law is a living entity and it always keeps evolving. And we being the torch bearers of law, I believe we must recommit to the fact that justice is accessible to all. And I feel that even if I don't have a background, I don't have anything, but still I have got sir and many of my seniors. And I think I'm very happy where I am today, and I'll be very happy where I'm going. Thank you. Happy Lawyers' Day to all.
Thank you, Adyasha. Yes, it truly is true that whenever we don't have anyone to look at, we look back and there is a lawyer there. Okay? Jitale bhi dekha. And lawyering is actually that. It's not about going, arguing a case or filing something. If something wrong is happening around you and you're not standing up, you're not a lawyer. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ପାଗଳଟାକୁ ବାଡଉଛି, you know that ପାଗଳ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି and is being beaten. If you don't stand up for it, then you're not a lawyer. Okay, କାଲି ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, କାଲି ପରଦିନ ବି ଯୋଉ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା, ରାଘବ ଚଡ୍ଡା tried to merge with Rajya Sabha. Nobody knows the anti-defection law part. Everyone is looking at a lawyer. Kapil Sibal ji pacharchandi, sir, what is your opinion on this? Whether this is actually a merger or it is hit under anti-defection. My point is, yes, it's true that lawyers are indeed the torch bearers. Only the lawyers would lead the way. Okay, with that thought, the next person who would come is who? Yes, you. Ojasuta will come. Ojasuta comes. Anisha Roila, Amit Jana Roila, Siva Roila. Siva Roila, thank you, speech. Please speak.
Coming from afar are the voices of the silence. Rarely are they heard save by the mystics and the sages, and when one of these voices become embodied as sound audible to the mortal hearing, blessed is the time, and blessed are those that hear. Good morning, one and all present over here. This is Ojeshwata going to present my views on this auspicious occasion of Lawyers' Day, on the occasion of the birth anniversary of the Utkal Gaurav, Madhusudhan Das. Fiat justitia ruat caelum. Let justice be done though the heavens fall. These are not merely words, these are promises, these are vows written not in ink but in blood, in sacrifice and the terrifying courage of those who stood between the powerful and the people. And today we honor one such personality. A boy born in the year of 1848 in a land that had no map of its own, a land called Odisha, swallowed by empires, silenced by rulers, and forgotten by the history. That boy grew up watching his people bent under the weight they did not deserve to carry. But instead of bending with them, he carried a pen. He picked a pen. He walked into a courtroom and he refused to lose. He was Madhusudhan Das. Yes, he was Madhusudhan Das. And he did not just become a lawyer, he became a shield. Not a throne, not a sword, but a shield. When the powerful came for powerless, Madhusudhan Das stood in between. When colonial law was used as a weapon against his own people, he learned that weapon, mastered it, and turned it around. And decades later, the same spirit was carried. Has walked into the Supreme Court of India. In Keshavananda Bharti, lawyers stood up and said, "No, you cannot destroy the very soul of the constitution. Not even the parliament can, and the justice was held. In Maneka Gandhi, they said life is not just breathing, life is dignity, life is freedom, and the justice was held. In Vishakha, they said her silence is not consent, her workplace must be safe, and again the justice was held. Every single time it was a lawyer who stood up. Every single time it was a lawyer who refused to sit down. And I want each one of you to understand this one single thing, that the courtroom isn't just a building, the courtroom isn't a bar, isn't a bench, and the courtroom isn't a black coat we wear today. The courtroom is the last battlefield of the truth. It is the only place on this earth where a poor man can look up in the eyes of a powerful man, and the law says that they are equal. That equality does not exist by magic. It exists because a lawyer fought for it. It exists because someone perhaps exhausted, someone perhaps afraid, someone perhaps underpaid, overlooked, chose the truth anyway. There will be a day, and it will definitely come, when someone powerful will offer you comfort over concise, and when the easier path will whisper in your ears. In that moment, close your eyes and ask yourself, what would Madhusudan Das would have done? I don't ask on this day of Lawyers' Day, I don't ask you to be brilliant. I don't ask you to be smart. The thing I ask you is to be brave. Brave enough to speak when speaking is costly, brave enough to stand when standing is lonely. And today, rise not just as the officers of the court, rise as the guardians of the constitution, rise as the voice of the voiceless, and rise as the living proof that in this country, truth still has a fighting case, as long as someone like you is still willing to fight for it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ujaswita. And it's true, indeed. Thank you for enlightening all of us with the fact that yes, between me and Ambani, only one thing is common. That is my right. That is guaranteed by the Constitution. और बाकी सब में तो मैं हार ही रहा हूँ ना उससे. हाँ? He will win in all the aspects. Only something is common. That is my rights guaranteed by the Constitution. My right to vote. That is common between me and Ambani. Okay, बाकी तो सब ले गया वो. So thank you for highlighting that. Yes, you have to be brave when it doesn't, and in fact you have to be brave when nobody else is looking. Okay, it's not like कि समस्ते कहूचंदी समस्ते देखुचंदी सेतले credit नवा पे brave हवा. When you don't have to take credits and still then you are choosing to be brave, that's what a true lawyer is about. Okay, thank you. Yes, Anisha Asja. Anisha तो यार दूसरा ने बैठ कर आंसर बोले सो. Amrita, not speak. ତମେ ତଳେ ଠିଆ ହେଇପାରିବ. ତମେ ଡେଙ୍ଗା ଅଛ?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Sure, we are together to celebrate the greatest personality man, Madhusudan Babu. Her birthday, birth anniversary. We are here to celebrate him, his day. Sir, आमे माने Google सर्च कर, YouTube सर्च कर, आमे तांका विषय बुक्स पढ़िबा, सब बहुत किछि जिंस जानि परिबा. राइट, तांकर काम, तांकर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, तांकर ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स आवर सोसाइटी, टुवर्ड्स द पीपल, एवरीवन फ्रॉम डाउन टू अर्थ. से जहाँ सब करि जाइछन्ती सेटा त आमे केबे करि परिबा नै, बट तांकर पाखुर आमे जदि किछि सिखि परिबा, दैट इज वन थिंग, his responsibility and duty towards the society only. आउ किछि नै. आमे बही पढ़ी दबा सर, we know everything. छोटो छुआ को भी कहि दंतु से कहि दबा, but से जो जिनसटा करि जाइछन्ते that is one thing only, his duty. And our as a lawyer, as a mane as a lawyer, that is our first responsibility to how to complete our duty towards everyone, every person. से चाहूँ गोटे जन्म हवा छुआ हो, चाहूँ गोटे डेथ पर्सन रो भी हो, we are here. आमे कहीं की अच्छे. Sir, I want to say something to myself. जेते बेले मु थर्ड क्लास रे पढुथिली सेते बेले आम स्कूल को इंस्पेक्शन आछन्ते सर सेते बेले आसीथिले समस्त को पचरा हला कि तमे कोन बनिबो के कहले सर मु तो माने बहुत माने कहला बेले बैक बेंचेस भले थिली छुआ आ मोर मैथ्स बहुत कमजोर सर तो सेते बेले समस्त कहले कि मु टीचर हेबी लेक्चरर हेबी के सीबीएस ये से माने बहुत सारा जॉब्स रिलेटेड जिंस कहले सेते मो पाखो के आसिले मु कहली मु गोटे जिंस करबी जोथरे कि मो पाखे किछि पावर आसीबो आ किछि रेस्पोंसिबिलिटी आसीबो तापरे सेठू से कहले सिमटिया जॉब कोन तो मु कहली मु जानिनी बट बड़ हले मु एमिति किछि जिंस करबी जोथरे मु सबुटो पावरफुल पर्सन हेबे तापरे आसिली आसला परे बाबा बसंती बाबांगर मोर सबुदिन रात 10टा पर कथा बार्ता बाबा मते मु कहली बाबा आज स्कूल को आसीतले एमति एमति हला मते पचेरिले मु किंतु कहली मु सबुटो पावरफुल पर्सन हेबे तो मु एमति कोन जॉब करबी जोथरे कि मो पाखे पावर आसीबो जोटा कि मो पाखे अच्छी मु ताको सोसाइटी को देखै परिबे तो बाबा मते सेते बेले गोटे जिंस कहिथिले लॉयर लॉयर इज द वन पर्सन जहा पाखु को प्रेसिडेंट पे आसंती राइट सर राइट तांकर काम पडिले लॉयर और डॉक्टर दे आर द लिविंग गॉड इन सोसाइटी राइट आउ केही नाहंती इंजीनियर माने तो तांको काम कर देबे टीचर्स लेक्चरर दे आर द रेस्पेक्टेड पर्सन but lawyer is the actual one lawyer and doctor they both are the actual one जे कि निजर सबु जिंस त्याग करिकी सोसाइटी को टाइम देंती to give their precious time to the society to the person जे कि गोटे छोटो छुआ जन्म हेले फर्स्ट से डॉक्टर रो मुह देखिबा त लॉयर रो मुह देखियो काहे कि ताकू तार डिग्निटी दरकार ताकू तार पर्सनालिटी दरकार ताकू बापा पचरुनी का पाखु जिवो लॉयर आइदर डॉक्टर तो जेहेतु मोर साइंस से कमजोर थिला तो से टाइम रे मु चूज करथिली लॉयर हबा पई एट द एज ऑफ मे बी 7-8 वर्ष कि 9 वर्ष रही थी बोदे सेते बेलु मु करथिले तापरे धीरे धीरे मु जते पढिली बहुत गुडे जिंस सिखिली तापरे मु आसिले ता भितरे बाबांगर इच्छा नथिला मामार भी इच्छा नथिला मम्मी मते कहिला कि जे तुजा साइंस पढ आई वाज आल्सो जॉइन अ समर कोर्स सर आफ्टर 10th तापरे सेठू सेठी शक्ति कॉलेज रे मते सर कहले शक्ति सर कहले नो तार जो कथा तार जो टुवर्ड्स सब जिंस अछि से आर्ट्स ही नबा बेटर मते केही सपोर्ट करना थले सर केवल खाली मु बाबांगु आ मो अंकल दे बोथ आर सपोर्टिंग मी टू सुजेन दिस माने पर्सनालिटी आ आज मु बहुत लकी कि जे मु निजो को अन्य पाई त्याग करि पारुचे राइट तेणुकर गोटे आज अ लॉयर आम मानकर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फर्स्ट हूँ कि आम कौन करिपारिबा समस्ते कहती कि जे आम न्याय करूने आम अन्याय पथरे जाऊचे जे मर्डरर आज अ क्रिमिनल लॉयर बहुत लोग आमको कहउछंती बहुत आमको लोग जजमेंट माने कहउछंती कि जे तमे तो से मारिला तमे गला ताकू बंचेबा पई नो मु जेते बेले फर्स्ट जॉइन करथिली दिस प्रोफेशन माय सीनियर मिनिस्टर एडवोकेट काशीनाथ पटनायक सर मते गोटे जिंस कहिथिले क्रिमिनल एडवोकेट हबा इज नॉट इजी बहुत डिफिकल्टी आसीबो बहुत जिंस आसीबो बहुत पढिबा को पढिबो किंतु आम मानकर जिंस होची जहा पाखे किछि नाइ ना पैसा अच्छी ना कथा अच्छी ना से निज पे स्टैंड करि पारुची किछि जे पूरा गोल है कि अछि ता पाखे गोटे पावर अच्छी टू हायर अ लॉयर टू रिप्रेजेंटेटेड हिम थ्रू अस गोटे जिंस सदा बेले चाहिबो कि एज अ लॉयर आमे कोन करि परिबा ता पे एबे ए जिंस भाबिबानी जे हम पाखु जे आसिले से होची सब जिंस से जहाँ कहला जहाँ ये कला से सब जिंस को हमको गोटे जिंस रे देखिबार अछि आम क्लाइंट जहाँ कहूचे आमे ताको केमती प्रोटेक्ट करवा तापाई केमती स्टैंड नबा तापाई केमती आमर जहाँ भी ड्यूटी अच्छी तार प्रति से जिनसरा को लिभेवा दैट इज आवर फर्स्ट ड्यूटी तापर सेकंड ड्यूटी आसुची आमे निजको कोर्ट केमती रिप्रेजेंट करवा as a lawyer this is most important thing को जजेस हमरो को जिंस चाहउछंती को जिस चाहउछंती हम केस रो ब्रीफ नै के जाउछे बेरी ठिया ही जाउछे के तो माइन लॉर्ड कहि के सर फला आ किछ कहि परिबेनी दैट इज आल्सो आई एम फेसिंग तो से जिंस होउची कोन सदा बेरे मन रे न गोटे मनोबल रहिबा दरकार टुडे इज अ न्यू डे आ गोटे नुवा ड्यूटी हम पाखु को आसिलानी से नुआ ड्यूटी नुआ डे नुआ सब जिनस को नहीं टुवर्ड्स गोटे लोक जार कहीं नहांती से आमको जो विश्वास रे आज ठिया करई तो आमर सबू किसी छाड़ी देके आम तापाई काम करिवार अछि लॉयर्स गोटे एमितिया लोक माने प्रोफेशन जो थिरे कि ना आम घर को टाइम दे पारुचे ना पर्सनल लाइफ को टाइम दे पारुचे नो वी आर डेडिकेटेड आवरसेल्फ टू अदर केमिति ता पाई हम आज काम करिवा घर को आसिक जस्ट पहुंचे पुणी कॉल आसिला ए काम अच्छे तो आमर किसी सर्टेनिटी लाइफ नहीं नो प्रोग्राम नो शेड्यूल नथिंग एल्स इन आवर लाइफ कहीं आम मधुबाबू गोटे जिनस शिखा ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स द सोसाइटी फर्स्ट जिनस आम जहाँ कहूचे जहाँ करूचे ताथरे केमती अन्य जने रिलीफ पाई परिबो जो जिनसटा कि से निजे ठिया है कहि पारुनी निजे का हायर करि पारुनी सदा बेले आमे सब जिनस को पैसा रे नबा से जिनस भी नुह गोटे जिनस आम रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आम ड्यूटी फर्स्ट जेबे से जिनस आसीबो हजार हजार बारिस्टर एठी ठिया हेई जिवे आ बहुत एग्जांपल स्टार्ट हेई जिवो बहुत एग्जांपल बिल्ड अप भी हेई जिवो आ 50 वर्ष पर लोक भी कहबे एमती जने थिले जे कि काम करिथिले बहुत हाइलाइटिंग केसेस आसुची ओनली फॉर द लॉयर्स जजमेंट आसुची ओनली फॉर द लॉयर्स टू आर्ग्यू तो माने आर्ग्यू करूछंती बोले दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर तो आम पाखे सदा बेले एई जिंस रहइबा दरकार कि मु केमिति से स्टेज को जीपी आम पाखे से करेजनेस ता रहइबा दरकार कि मु कोन करि परिबी आज अच्छे काली सकाल आसला को आ गोटे नुआ केस नुआ दुनिया नुआ ब्रीफ सब जिनस नुआ जो थरा में भी करिने जो जिनस को हमें देखिने किछि भी करिने सडन आसिक पहुंच जाउची एंड वी स्टार्टेड टू माने स्टार्टेड टू कोन माने हमर ब्रेन को स्टार्ट कर दोचे टू बस राइट कि मते आज कोन करिवार अछि मु से लोक को केमिति रिलीफ देबे कौन करें जो से लोक रिलीफ पाइब बहुत लोग आसिक कहे मैडम वी हैव नो मनी टू गिव यू मो पाखे किसी भी ना कि मुझे प्रोब्लेम अच्छी तो आम फास्ट ड्यूटी हवा दरकार कि आम केमिति से लोक को फास्ट रिलीफ दबा दैट एज अ लॉयर आम फर्स्ट ड्यूटी से हवा दरकार आम पाखक जी आसला सी हूँ आम क्लाइंट सी तार सब जिनस माने से निज गोटे बंद कमरा भितर बंद कर दौचे आमको कहूचे तू जा मो थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर मते बुझी पारुछंती व्हाट इज दिस मो निज को गोटे रूम भितर बंद कर देबी आ तुमको कहबी जे तमे जाओ माने मोर सब किछि मु तुमको दे देली तमे जहा करि परिबो माय फ्यूचर माय लाइफ इज योर्स राइट तो एटा हमर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी जेबे भी हम गोटे केस नबा माने मु मो निज पई लढुची राइट गोटे लोकर बिलीफ आसीबा दरकार कि नहीं मु जहाँ को चूज करची ही और सी इज द बेस्ट फॉर मी राइट ता माने ए गिल्टा न सुकाले कि मु ताकू चूज करी किछि भूल करले कि मु आउट के सीनियर पाकू के जाइथांती कि नो मु जेतले फर्स्ट जाइथिले सेतले सर मते कहिथिले एठी केही तुमको किछि सिखेबेनी नो बॉडी केही नै आ बहिरा में जो पाठ पढि से सेटा डेली लाइफ रे काम रे आसे मते त लागेनी काहे कि ना ठीक अछि वेल हां वेल स्टार्टिंग सब जिनस करूचे बट डेली लाइफ रे से जिनस आसीबो जो जिनसटा के राइट फॉर अस आमे प्रोसीजर आनी परिबा ताथिरु किंतु सर डेली बेसिस रे एबे जो केसेस होउची इज देयर इन आवर बुक नो बुझी पड़छन ने तो जेबे भी आमे गोटे क्लाइंट को नौचे ता रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नौचे तो इट्स आवर फर्स्ट ड्यूटी कि आम ताको केमिति ओबे करिबा कि प्रैक्टिस 5 वर्षर जहाँ प्रैक्टिस 50 वर्षर से फरक रहिबा इतिकी से शिखी शिखी सेठी आमे अल्प शिखिकी एठी तो आम मन सबुदिन गोटे नुआ आशा रहा दरकार आज मो पाख गोटे नुआ केस आसो हाउ टू डील विथ इट मु केमिति ता सहित डील करी मु कौन करी डेली डेली आमको पढ़िया पड़ो डेली डेली आमको शिखा पड़ो डेली डेली आमको नुआ नुआ स्तर देकी जावाक पड़ो कौन कले आम गुड लयर हो पार एमती लोक कही ना जे मु मधु बारिस्टर सहित लड़ी मधु बारिस्टर जगह नेबी मीन्स बुझीपार व्हाट इज दिस सेटा मधु बारिस्टर जगह नवा नुह तांकर जहाँ जहाँ गुण थिला ताथरु किछि मु आनिबी जो थे कि मते मे भी लोक तांका सहित कंपेयर करि परिबे राइट तो सेटा होची हमर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एमिति नुह कि जे ए लोक पैसा दोनी मु ता काम करिनी ए लोक बहुत पैसा देला मु ता केस निजु डेडिकेट कर देबी नो नॉट एट ऑल जिंस गोटे हवा दरकार क्लाइंट इज क्लाइंट राइट को क्लाइंट पैसा देला को क्लाइंट न देला नो क्लाइंट इज क्लाइंट सी आम भगवान हवा दरकार आम तार सेवा करवा दरकार लाइक सबुदिन सकाळ उठले आम जेमती पूजा करूचे लाइक आम ताकू सेमती रखिवा दरकार कि सी केबे जिंस फील न करू कि मो पई किछि करि परलिनी मो पई मु जहा को मो निजो पई रिप्रेजेंट करिया पई तार गोटे सिग्नेचर जस्ट सिग्नेचर ऑफ हिम और हर से टोटल तार कुही हमको त्याग कर दउचे आमे जदि ता केस को भलरे हियरिंग कले भलरे आर्ग्यू कले तो जजमेंट विल बिकम बेस्ट तो टुडे इज द लॉयर्स डे फर्स्ट आमे बुझिबा दरकार आमे बेस्ट लॉयर केमिति हबा राइट बेस्ट लॉयर हेले लॉयर्स डे रो वैल्यू रहइबो खाली बसिबा आमे सेलिब्रेट करबा नो बुझिबा दरकार जे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लॉयर गोटे लॉयर मीनिंग कौन मु कौन कले मु गोटे बेस्ट लॉयर हो पारे मु कौन कले केबे मु भी ओडिसा रे कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया रे मु भी मो ना बनै पारिबे एज आवर अनर सीनियर लॉयर्स सीनियर एडवोकेट्स सेटा हमर सब दिन रो प्रयास रहिबा दरकार तेबे जाय कि ए इंस्टीट्यूशन पुणी आहुरी केते वर्ष परे आम मानकु को नै कि आहुरी गोटे बेस्ट लॉयर डे सेलिब्रेट करबो थैंक यू ऑल
Thank you, Anisha. Yes, it's true. Reminds me of one personality called Dhaneshwar Naras Raju. जदि आपण केबे जानिथिबे DN Raju, who was the Advocate General. Back then, Biju Babu used to fear him. Biju Babu used to fear an Advocate General. Advocate General who is appointed by the Chief Minister himself. And Chief Minister was fearing him. In fact, when Biju Babu used to call him to his office, he used to refuse, saying that I am your lawyer, you will come to my office. And tankar office thila e jo Chandini Chowk pakhare. Biju Babu in a rickshaw used to come to his office to meet Dhaneshwar Raju. He said, "Mu jai paribini, mu tamo lawyer, tame motte asiba ku padibo, you will tell me, you will brief me, and then I will represent your case." You could have said like आजिकली तो आपण लॉयर एते सस्ता हे सरलेनी आज्ञा किछि भी करि परिबे he being the advocate general used to refuse कि मु तम पाखु जिबिनी so that says that yes जो से एग्जांपल देले जे प्रेसिडेंट हेले भी आसे पड़िबो chief minister used to come sir and it still can if you are a good lawyer and if you have that reputation and if you build it like that chief minister prime minister समझ I have seen Nabin Patnaik himself handing over a plate to Justice I Mahanti, sir, this is your plate. माने बाढ़िले, निजे बाढ़िले, और नवीन पटनायक बाढ़िले. Sitting chief minister, Justice I Mahanti was a sitting judge. He was not chief justice or anything. बाढ़िले, sir, please have this. और I Mahanti नेले, तापरे नवीन पटनायक निजे अपनी plate नहीं नेले. So that tells you how powerful the lawyering or the judiciary can be. Okay, and yes, तमें तो छोट थिला बेले भाबिथिलो जे पावरफुल हो मु छोट थिला बेले भाबिथिली ड्राइवर okay and the reason is because I saw that everyone is a driver getting to drive car. I used to love driving. When I see the fact that ଏବେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି ଏତେ ଚଲେଇ ଚଲି, ବଟ୍ ସେତେବେଳେ ତ I used to feel କି ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ହିଁ ହବାର ଅଛି, so that ମାମାର ଆମ୍ବାସେଡର ଗାଡି ଯିଏ ଚଲଉଛି ମତେ ସେଟା ଚଲେଇବାକୁ ମିଳିବ. Okay, thank you. Next person who will come is, yes, please come. ଆଉ ଦି ଜଣ ହିଁ ରହିଲ, ନାଇଁ ଶିବଶଙ୍କର ରହିଲା, ତିନି ଜଣ. Okay ନା ତ? Now see, ଅନୁଜୟ, ସୁସ୍ମିତା, ନାଇଁ ଅଦେଶ କିଛି କହିବ? ଅର୍ପିତା ନାଇଁ, ସ୍ୱରାଜ ନାଇଁ, କହି ନାଇଁ, ଶିବଶଙ୍କର କହିବ, ସମ୍ବିତ ନାଇଁ, ସମ୍ବିତ କହୁଛି ଲୁଚି ଯାଏ, ତମେ କହିବ, ଅମୃତା ନାଇଁ, କୌସ୍ତୁଭ କହିବ ଟିକେ, ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦି ଲାଇନ୍ କହିବ ତ ହଉଛି. ଚାଲ.
So good morning, one and all present over here, respected teachers and my dear seniors and my friends. A legal profession is not merely a profession, it is a responsibility to serve the humanity with truth and courage. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Lawyers' Day on the account of birth anniversary of a great patriot, a visionary leader, a man of his words, Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. Madhusudan Das was not only a advocate of Odisha and a first graduate, but also a fearless voice of justice and equality. At a time when society was bound by rigid traditions and British dominance, he stood firm with courage and conviction. He used law not only as a tool for personal gain and profits, but as a weapon to fight against injustice and for the upliftment of the marginalized. What makes him truly inspiring is his beliefs that law is not just about winning a case, it's about protecting someone's right, ensuring fairness, and serving society with justice. He dedicated his whole life to the welfare of the people and the unification of Odisha. On this occasion, we must ask ourselves a question: what does it really mean to be a lawyer? Is it about acquiring knowledge of the statute in India or any case law? No, it is nothing like that. It is standing for the truth and justice. Madhusudan Das teaches us that true lawyer must possess integrity, courage, and deep sense of social responsibility. In today's world, where justice delayed is justice denied and justice hurried is justice buried, a lawyer's role becomes more crucial. As a future member of this noble profession, we must carry forward his legacy. We must ensure that our words become the voices of the voiceless and our action reflects fairness and honesty. Let us take inspiration from his life and strive to become not just only a successful lawyer, but as a responsible citizen who contribute to the justice and humanity. I would like to conclude this with saying that a lawyer's true success lies not only in winning a case, but in upholding justice. Happy Lawyers Day. Thank you all.
Thank you. What's your name? Priyansu. Thank you, Priyansu, for still being in semesters and having the courage to come here and speak a few lines before all of us. Most of us are refusing now. Okay? Sanidhya kon koiba koyuni? Okay. Thank you. Oh, please come. What's your name, sir? Anshuman. Yes, please come. Chaliyo.
Before history remembers a name, it remembers a legacy. Before a land finds its identity, it finds a voice. And Odisha found that voice in a man the world would call Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. A very warm good morning to everyone present over here, esteemed sir and my dear seniors. 28th April 1848, a boy was born not in power, not in privilege, but with something far greater. A mind that questioned, a voice that refused silence, and a vision that law could shape society. That boy grew up to become Madhusudan Das. The man we honor today is Utkal Gaurav, a patriot, a reformer, and one of the finest legal minds of his time. He did not just practice law, He used law as a force to shape Odisha's identity, to fight for dignity, and to give a voice to those who had none. But the question still remains, why do we celebrate his birth? Is it to remember a great man or to remember what he stood for? Well, the ordinary looking man behind me displayed over here is not as ordinary as we think, because he created a path where none existed. At a time when Odisha lacked a strong identity, he led movements that united people, not through force but through thought, through leadership and law. He fought for recognition, dignity, and rights, and inspired others to believe that change was possible. His contribution was not limited to ideas alone. He believed in action. By promoting industries like leather, he challenged deep rooted social barriers and worked hard up towards uplifting communities that society often ignored. In doing so, he sent a powerful message that dignity lies in work and the real progress includes everyone. Today, we are not just celebrating a profession, we are reflecting on a responsibility. As Didi said, because we speak of law, we are not speaking of books, sections, or courtrooms alone. We are speaking of power. The power to question, the power to defend, and sometimes the power to decide what is right. But here's the truth, law by itself is silent. It is the lawyer who gives it a voice. A lawyer stands where society is most fragile, where rights are denied, where voices are suppressed, where justice feels distant. And in that moment, a lawyer doesn't just argue, a lawyer stands. But standing is not easy. As Sir said, one day each one of us will face a choice to win easily or to stand correctly. And that choice will define us. Madhusudan Das did not become great because he knew the law. He became great because he used it with purpose. He understood that law is not a tool for personal success alone. It is a tool for social change. That is what makes his profession noble. So today, let us not just celebrate, let us reflect, not on how successful we want to be, but on how meaningful we want to be. Because in the end, a lawyer is not remembered for the cases they win, but for the justice they stand for. And perhaps years from now, when someone speaks about us, they will not say that we simply knew the law. They will say that we had the courage to stand by it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anshuman. Yes. As rightly pointed out, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଯଦି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିଟା ରାସ୍ତା, ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ରାସ୍ତା ବନିଛି ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତା ହିଁ ନାହିଁ. Every one of us will go on the road which has been walked on. Never dare to choose an unventured path, which Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das did, and that is the reason we remember them. We remember him. So yes, sometimes you have to take the difficult choice and you have to choose it. And there is a popular line in the movie Gulam. Jodi ke Gulam movie dekhicho, there is a line which stays with me yet. The line is, लहरों के साथ तो कोई भी तैर लेता है, असली इंसान वो है जो लहरों को चीर कर आगे बढ़ता है. So it goes to show that yes, with the tide everyone can swim. Against the tide can you swim? Even if you can't swim, can you show that grit that you ebe apanakar dekhantu ebe 3 years rule asila. We have no option but to wait for our turn. But can we survive that part? Can we still survive those 3 years? That is the question that is being asked to you. And if your answer is in affirmative, you are bound to win, my friend. Okay? Thank you. Please come, Shiv Shankar. Shiv Shankar, come. Shiv Shankar, out kostu. Out again, Andy. Shiv Shankar kostu, and then we eat.
Jai Sri Jagannath. We have gathered here to celebrate Lawyers Day. In fact, it's a great day which recognizes the dedication and contribution of the lawyers to the society. Respected my preceptor, law and advocates, and dear friends, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to this auspicious occasion, Lawyers Day. So, if we distinguish between advocate and lawyer, now what is the abbreviation of advocate? Advocate stands for absolutely dedicated varieties of cases and thoughts and অর্থাৎ ଜଣେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସେସକୁ ପରିଚାଳନା କରନ୍ତି ବା ମାମଲା ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପରିଚାଳନା କରନ୍ତି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ଉତ୍ସର୍ଗୀକୃତ ଭାବରେ ତାକୁ ପରିଚାଳନା କରନ୍ତି ଶେଷ ହେବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। ଏବଂ when I speak about lawyer, lawyer stands for law aware and work you for every representation. It stands. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷକୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛେ ତ ଆମେ ଲ ଉପରେ ବାସ୍ତବିକ ଆୱେର ହେବା ଦରକାର। ତ ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲୟରର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡସ୍। Nothing more left by Abhipsa, Priti and Sir also regarding or about Madhusudan Das. I have no word speak about Madhusudan Das, but I can say only one thing. He was a great man, and he was not only a human, but also an incarnation of God. And also, I have no word to speak about my preceptor, Sri Rajas sir. Sneha also ସବୁ କିଛି କହିଦେଇଛି ସିଏ, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଆଉ କହିପାରିବିନି, but ଏତିକି କହିବି, he is my hero and also he is hero for her। ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି ଥିଲା, ଯୋଉ ବୁଢ଼ୀଟି 5 କୋଟିର ଟଙ୍କା ଆୱାର୍ଡ ପାଇଥିଲା, ଆଉ ସାର୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ତାରି ପାଇଁ ହିରୋ। ଯୋଉ ଆମର ବିଦେଶୀ ମହିଳାଟି ତାର ଶିଶୁ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ସଂଘର୍ଷ କରୁଛି, ସାର୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ପାଇଁ ହିରୋ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍।
Thank you, Shiv Shankar. For the kind words. Yes, now Kaustu will take over and speak a few lines. And before that, Charchita and Anvesha are there. If you want to speak, you can speak after this. Okay? Yes, Kaustu Basu. Kaustu is not prepared.
Good morning, everyone. Lawyers Day. So today, my friends have beautifully portrayed the life of Uttal Gaurav Madhusudan Das. And when I speak today, I'll speak a few lines, but I speak on behalf of everyone sitting in this room. So on this occasion of Lawyers Day, what are we here to celebrate? We celebrate not just a profession, we celebrate a responsibility. And what is that responsibility? A responsibility to uphold justice, safeguard rights, and strengthen the very foundation of the society. So, what is the legal profession? Legal profession is not perceived as it should be. Legal profession is not just about making arguments in courtrooms or interpreting laws. It is much more than that. The legal profession actually is about standing firm with what is right and doing what is just. We are lawyers. What do? We are actually the voices of the unheard. Are we? Yes. So we are the voices of the unheard, and we are the shields for the vulnerable. and definitely we are the guardians of justice. And in a world that is constantly evolving, we lawyers have a crucial role to play, and it is not just interpreting laws. We are not just interpreters of laws, but we are the agents of change. If I'm not wrong, we are agents of change by ensuring that justice is accessible and fair and unbiased. And this is how we should maintain the dignity of the profession. So I won't speak much, but let us take this day as a reminder to uphold the integrity, to pursue truth always, and uphold the dignity of this noble profession. Happy Lawyers Day to everyone. Thank you.
That was a good one. Yes.
Will Anvesha and Charchita speak?
No, sir.
Both of you know? Anvesha nahi?
Sir, କିଛି କହିବି sir.
କହିବ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
Please do. କୁହ. Plus video ଟା on କରି କୁହ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir. ମୁଁ କେବେ sir ଏତେ ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଉପରେ ମୋର ଏତେ ଗଭୀର ଇଏ ନାହିଁ. ତଥାପି sir କିଛି ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି କହିବା ପାଇଁ.
Yes, please. କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ. କୁହ. Video on କରି କୁହ so that we can see you.
Sir video ଟା on କରିପାରିନି sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Video on କରିବ. ଠିକ ଅଛି କୁହ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା. ପ୍ରଥମେ ମୋର ପୂଜ୍ୟ କୁଳବୃଦ୍ଧ ମଧୁସୂଦନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଣାମ ଜଣାଇ ତଥା ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ମାନେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଜି ଲୟର୍ସ ଡେ ର ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଆଉ ରଜତ ପଣ୍ଡା ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ପୂଜ୍ୟ ନମନ। କେବଳ ରଜତ ପଣ୍ଡା ସାର୍ ନୁହଁ, ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୋର ପୂଜ୍ୟ ନମନ। ଏହା କହି ମୁଁ ମୋର ସମ୍ଭାଷଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରୁଛି। ତ ଲୟର୍ସ ଡେ ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଏକାଠି ହଉଛେ, କୁଳବୃଦ୍ଧ ମଧୁସୂଦନଙ୍କ କଥା ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଡିବ, ସ୍ୱତନ୍ତ୍ର ଉତ୍କଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ଗଠନରେ ଯାହାର ଭୂମିକା ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନିର୍ବାଚ୍ୟ। କୁଳବୃଦ୍ଧ ମଧୁସୂଦନ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ସମାଜର ସେଇ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେବା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆଗେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କାହାରି ସ୍ୱର ନଥାଏ। ସମାଜରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କାହାରି ସ୍ୱର ନଥାଏ, ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କରି ସ୍ୱର ସମାଜରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଘୁରି ବୁଲୁଥାଏ। ଯେତେବେଳେ କଥା ଛୋଟିଆ କଥାଟେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସେ ଯେ ବଡ ହୋଇବି, ପାଠ ପଢିବି, କାଳିଆ ଘୋଡାରେ ଚଢିବି, ମଧୁବାବୁ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଲଢିବି। ଯେତେ ଦେଶ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ପ୍ରେମୀଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଏତେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମୀ ଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ନାଁ ଆସିଲା ମଧୁସୂଦନ ଦାସ। ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଲଢିବା ପାଇଁ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା ହଉଛି, ତ ସେଇ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଗୋଟେ ବୃତ୍ତିକୁ ଆସୁଛେ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟି ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣାକ୍ଷରରେ ଲିପିବଦ୍ଧ ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ ଉକ୍ତିଟି ମୋ ମତରେ। କୁଳବୃଦ୍ଧଙ୍କର ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା କି ଗାଁ ମାଟି କଲେ ସମତୁଲ, ଯେମିତି ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ମାନେ କହିଲେ କି ଚୁନି ଚୋକଡ ସୁଦାମ କଥା ବି କହିଲେ, ଚତୁର୍ଥ ବହିର କଥା। ତ ତାଙ୍କର ସମାଜ ପ୍ରତି ତାଙ୍କର ଅବଦାନ ବହୁତ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ, ବହୁତ ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ। ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ କିଛି ଦିନ ତଳେ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଦେହରେ କଳା କୋଟ ଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା କଥା, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ସାର୍ ଦେହରେ କଳା କୋଟ ହଉଛି ମୋ ମତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅସୀମ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ଶକ୍ତି ଓ ସାହସ। ମୋ ମତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଆସୁ ନ ଆସୁ ପାଠ ସେ ଅଲଗା କଥା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟାୟର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କୌଣସି ଦୁଃଖୀ କଷ୍ଟ ଲୋକର ଅସୁବିଧା ପାଇଁ ସ୍ୱର ଉଠେ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୌଣସି ପାଠ ଆସୁ ବା ନ ଆସୁ, ସେ କଳା କୋଟ ଗୋଟେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଭାବେ କାମ କରିଥାଏ। ମୋ ମତରେ ସେ କଳା କୋଟ ଗୋଟେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଭାବରେ କାମ କରିଥାଏ, ଯେ ସାଧାରଣ ଜନତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱର ହିସାବରେ କାମ କରିଥାଏ। ସେତେବେଳେ ଯେମିତି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଭଉଣୀ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ ପଢିଥିବା ବହିର ପାଠ ଓ କୋର୍ଟର ପ୍ରୋସିଜର ଏଇଟା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ। ତ ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ଯେତେବେଳେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସ୍ୱର ଉଠେ, ତ କୋଉଠି ନା କୋଉଠି ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଦୁଃଖ କଷ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ ସେ ସ୍ୱରଟା ନିହାତି ଉଠିଯାଏ। से स्वर से कष्ट जो लोकंकर तुमको आसु बा न आसु किंतु गोटे प्रयास करथा गोटे चेष्टा करथा जे मते लागे कि कला कोटटा सेटा गोटे अस्त्र भली काम करे किछि माने किछि गोटे साधारण जनता को केमिति न्याय दे परिबो सब बेले भितर मनरे गोटे सिहरण सृष्टि होइताय जे साधारण लोक साधारण जनता केमिति न्याय पाइबे आ बाकी रहिला स्वतंत्र ओडिशा प्रदेश आज जो आमे ओडिया अस्मितार डिंडिम पिटुची किंतु ओडिया अस्मिता केवल ओडिशा गोटे स्वतंत्र राज्य बोली बहुत दिन तले प्रमाणित होई परनथि तो ओडिशा जेतेबेले आग स्वतंत्र राज्य हैला स्वतंत्र उत्कल प्रदेश गठन हैला जोटा कि ओडिया को गोटे अति नगण्य भाषा भाबे आमे परिगणित करथिलु किंतु से ओडिया भाषार जे एते महत्व ओडिशा राज्यर जे गोटे एते महत्व अछि ओडिशा राज्यर कोन नाही खणी माटी ओडिशा उत्कल प्रदेशर गोटे माने अनन्य सौंदर्य रे भरा उत्कल तो जदि ओडिशा नथांता ओडिया नथांता जो ओडिया अस्मितार आज आमे डिंडिम पिटुचे तो एटा केवल मधुबाबू ही संभव तो कुलवृद्धଙ୍କ जन्मदिन रे मु तांको पुणी थरे नमन करे मोर भाषण संग करछि
Thank you, Anvesha. Yes, Sambit Koivalasku. Sambit, please come.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर मोर सांगसाथी आज हूँ लयर्स डे आम उत्कल गौरव मधुसूदन दास को स्मृति को मन रखापी ये दिवस को आम पालन करुचे कहीं से कौन करते आज मन रखा सी एभली एक लोक थे जे जज को आखिरे आखि मिसिकी कहते कि मु सत्यर पक्ष नौची को लोकर पक्ष नुहे कि कौन व्यक्तिर पक्ष नौ नहीं मु सत्य लड़ुची मु न्याय लड़ुची जज सब क्वेश्चन करती मिस्टर दास आर यू आर्ग्यूइंग अगेंस्ट द लॉ बट से तार रिप्लाई कहते नो योर ऑनर आई एम आर्ग्यूइंग फॉर जस्टिस व्हिच इज एबव योर लॉ तो सही महान आत्मा तांकर आत्मनिर्भीकता तांकर सोसाइटी पई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तांकर कर्तव्य यही सब जिन महानतार परिचय दिए आम मन रखा आज समाज रे बहुत दलित लोक अच्छा जी कि निजर गुजराण मेटाइवाई से पैसा रोजगार कर राइट्स जो भाया भायोलेट होची से सब आम केमिति न्याय पावा कोर्ट रे केमिति रिप्रेजेंट करवा से सब आमर फास्ट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होची आजिकली बहुत बैरियर्स आछि सोशल बैरियर कल्चरल बैरियर तो एक्सेस टू जस्टिस इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग ए गुड लॉयर आमर से टॉपिक था कि लीगल एजुकेशन एंड एक्सेस टू जस्टिस लीगल एजुकेशन आम ना कि आम खाली पढ़ीदबा लोक मान एक्सेस दबानी से इंपोर्टेंट नुहे बट आम कि लोक मान प्रॉपर जस्टिस दबा प्रॉपर राइट्स को आम केमिति अपहेल्ड करवा से फास्ट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मोर आ गोटे लाइन कहूँ जोटा कि समस्त जानते जलियावाला रे जज कहते जिते लोकों पाखे किसी न थाए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लाइन फेल हुए जे सब लाइन फेल जे कोर्ट ही गोटे जे कि राइट्स को से मर्यादा दिए से कोर्ट पर भरोसा करती सेटा किए करिवो से लॉयर्स ही फास्ट जी लोक मानू से राइट्स को से दे पारिबो तो मधुबाबू ऊपर समस्त कहले मु बेसी किसी कहबेनी जे प्रिपेयर नाही तो मधुबाबू लाइन कहते जाति नंदीघोष चलो किपर स्वार्थ को सारथी कले दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल लाइन आम समस्ते लोक मानू केमिति साहाय्य करवा राइट्स को केमिति आम कोर्ट रे पहुंचेबा जस्टिस दवा एटा आम फास्ट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थैंक यू वंदे उत्कल जननी
वेरी नाइस थैंक यू संबित थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू धनंजय खाइबाटा बाड़ ता भीतर मुझे किसी कहूथी खाइबाटा टी बांटे दिया धनंजय संबित ओके यस खाई खाई लिखि जीव ना कौन किया जी खाइबारे कौन सुविधा जी सुगेश भाई कब ओके ओके यू विल लीव नाउ ओके जा बाकी समझते जल्दी जल्दी दियो ओजस्विता को जल्दी दियो शी हैज ए समवेयर टू गो ओके खाई दी की जाओ तुम सुगर सही थोड़े हो तार दिन रीजन अच्छे मेडिकल रीजन घरे किए छुआ ना छुआ अच्छे किए और सान भौणी किए so yes we discussed how a lawyer should be, how the what is the importance of this legal profession. Now that brings me to one concluding remark. आपण जदि किए गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स देखिथिबे there is this there are people who are known as watchers on the wall. ये देखते हो जानते हो watchers on the wall, right? जॉन स्नो तांको जॉइन करे, right? And in fact सेटरे सेही माने थांती those who are the most vulnerable. They are most vulnerable. They are the ones who have been taken a toll of, but they join watchers on the wall to protect the people. And तांकर गोटे vow थिला, if I may be allowed to read it. Night gathers and now my watch begins. I am the sword in the darkness. I am the watcher on the walls. I am the fire that burns against the cold, the light that brings the dawn, the horn that wakes the sleepers, the shield that guards the realms of men. I pledge my life and honor to the night's watch for this night and all the nights to come. And this is in fact our duty as lawyers. We have to be the watchers on the wall. We have to make sure that when everyone is sleeping over their rights, we have to wake them up. We have to nudge them. And in fact, if someone is coming and trying to trample them, we will be the watchers on the wall and we will protect them against it. That is the only thing that should be in our mind on this Lawyers' Day. Thank you everyone, all of you, for coming here, participating and speaking and making this a huge success. Okay, I'm so proud of all of you. And results, 2-3 people spoke very well. So I'll have to think on it. I will let you know the results tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll announce the results, also give the cash prize. Okay, thank you. चलो खाई दो चलो वो मफ्त दी नो अरे वो तो भूख को अन्वेषा जब से हम लोग खाई रही होगी एंड अब काहे भी